friends, welcome back to Live Your Best Life with Cam. I hope that you are doing great. So I'm gonna go straight into this video. Today I'm just gonna be showing you how I do a quick 5-minute makeup routine, and it's nothing much, just what I do. I don't go over the board, but here we go. So first I put on primer, and I'm using e.l.f. hydrating face primer. So I'm gonna put on my foundation. I use the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm just tipping a little bit on my finger. This is wet. Okay, so my foundation is on, and I'm gonna go now and put my concealer on. And I've got LA Girl Pro Concealer. Oh, what am I concealing anyway? Yeah, comment down below and tell me what do we conceal? So I'm using the other side of my beauty blender. And I wonder if this is going right. I don't like too much to me. It looks too much to me right now. What do you think? I totally do not even look like myself right now. And now I'm gonna go in with pressed powder. Like, this is basically it. So I have a Clinique pressed powder foundation. I told you, I'm basic. Nothing much for me. This is actually taking off some of what may have been too much. Because your girl don't want to be too much over the top, dramatic, too I'm now going to use the True Contour palette. Is it even making any difference? Am I done? Okay, that's out of the way, and I just used the highlight, this one here. Looks like I put on too much of the highlight, but I know I might put the blush. Ooh, too much. A bit too much color. So I don't even know what they stop me for now. What are these for? Alright, it's, well, I had combed my brow before. Oops. Right? Let's fill in. I'm basically done. I'm just gonna put this on. This is a Make It Dewy Setting Spray. Oops. So, this is me. Not much, just enough. How does it look? Alright, thanks for watching. As I told you before, I don't go over the top. Thank you for tuning into my channel. This is your basic 5-minute makeup routine that you can do if you're, you know, like me, don't really want too much. So thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to live your best life. And if you have not subscribed already, I want to urge you to, come on man, yeah man, let's do it. Go ahead and do it.